let them run for, I think, 15 minutes. I'm not really sure. I made a couple of phone calls and checked out some news on the internet. But these look like they're, yeah, they all look pretty much done. So what we do next is make sure that they're balanced. And that I'm afraid to say we have to do one at a time. We can't do them all four at a time. It's just not possible. Not yet, anyway. I might have to go off camera just a bit, and I'm going to have to go get a file and my balancer. But as I said before, if your blades are not straight blades, and even if they are, there's a real good possibility that if you buy one of these blade sharps, that I will be selling you blades at a lot less than what you are already paying. And I can pretty much guarantee that you would be tickled with the Gator brand blade, Gator Nature blade, if you're not already familiar with them. Okay, I just filed the slag off of this one. This side was already filed off. Now we got to balance it. Normally I would do this on. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know if you can see this very well or not, but we'll put the balancer right there. Okay, we're really heavy on that side, but let's check the other direction also. Okay, so it's still just a little heavy on that side, which means this side needs to be around just a little bit more. And you can do it on a bench grinder or angle grinder just to make it balanced, but now that I got one of these, I don't use any bench grinder, angle grinder, nothing of the sort. I just put it back on here for just a few minutes. This one here wasn't very far out of balance, and the little trick I use to determine how long to leave it on is I have some magnets which are over here, and where this one is just slightly out of balance, I will just put one little magnet on it, just one little magnet on it out here where I can see it somewhere. And that means that it needs to be on there for 2 to 5 minutes. If I put 2 magnets on there, that means it's pretty far out of balance and it can be on for 5 to 7 minutes before I check it again. This one here, I think within 2 minutes will be balanced, so one of these, and that way I don't get too busy to and forget which ones are on there being sharpened and which ones are on there being balanced, because once they are balanced and sharpened, then I'll put a new blade on and it'll be a beginning new sharpen. Anyway, I'm going to check the rest of these and we'll get right back.